Dealerships have been doing this scam for years. Some of you guys already know what it is, but a lot of people don't, and they get away with free advertisement. Stick around. So when you go to a dealer, it doesn't matter which one, when you buy a vehicle from them, they usually leave their business logo everywhere in the car. I'm talking about the plate, the housing for the plates, the back of the car. They usually have a sticker on the left side of the car, or maybe sometimes the right. And I'm gonna show you a few examples right now. Okay, so first example that they be taking money from you is by that right here. This is my temporary 30-day plate, right? But what do they have here? They have their own address and their own website. That's called advertising. They can't do that without paying you. So they're stealing from you. Second is this. Like when you buy the car, they put their own dealership attached to your purchased vehicle. That is called stealing as well. Now another place they do this a lot is on the windshield on the front. Usually they have a little sign right here, like a little sticker, like a bunch of stickers here, and that's all advertising that they're not supposed to be doing. And so is the front. See, I have this New Jersey plate car, right? And what do they have here? They have Lester Glenn, their dealership, their name, and again their website. That is advertising. So there you have it, guys. You've seen it firsthand. Listen, the advertising industry is now worth $1.2 trillion. 1.2 trillion. I'm not talking about millions of dollars, hundreds, thousands, $1 billion. No, trillion. And a lot of people are advertising for dealerships for free by leaving these stickers on their vehicle that they gave money for. Business is business. I don't care how well they treat you. These people are not paying you to advertise for them for free 24 hours a day, 365 days in a year. And believe me, I've seen a lot of cars with dealership advertisements all over the place, and they're all cars. So imagine all those years advertising for this dealership for free, and you paid for the car. They didn't give you the car. Now, if they gave you the car, listen, I put stickers in the tires. Now, I advise you, go out there to your cars. Take those stickers off. Now, if you like this type of content, please give me a like on this video. And if you need, please consider subscribing. Merry Christmas to all. Happy New Year's to all. And if you don't celebrate none of that, then happy holidays. If you still don't celebrate, then what up, my dude? Damn. Remember, don't let the government tell you when and how you should celebrate with your loved ones. We are not freaking robots. You can celebrate any day that you want. God bless, guys.